huge range hood sucks all the air out of your kitchen and your entire house. Both brand ng range hood ay may sariling dimensions, designs, and features. Hence, on our part as consumers, dapat kailangan natin malaman kung ano bang bibilhin natin na range hood. And here are 3 things to consider. First, kailangan mo ba ng range hood na merong chimney like this? Or gusto mo lang yung range hood na walang hood at saka ilalagay lang under the cabinet? Okay? Yung under the cabinet na range hood ay nagre-recycle yun ng air sa loob ng kitchen. And it uses an activated carbon filter to recycle the air inside. So, yung odor niya ay sinasak ng filter at saka pinifilter niya sa loob, then ibabalik niya yung air sa loob. This range hood naman na mayroong chimney, ilalabas niya agad ang hangin. No? Ilabas ang hangin mula sa kitchen, papalabas. Okay? Through the vent. I'll discuss the vent later. Kadalasan hindi pwede sa mga kondo ang ganitong may chimney kasi walang wall na lulusutan mula sa condo unit. Ginagamit sa mga kondo yung nag-recycle lang ng air na tinatawag na ductless hood or under the cabinet hood. Second consideration. Sabi ko nga, merong iba't ibang dimension ang range hood. Merong 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and 90 centimeters. I am referring to the width. Okay? This one is 90 centimeters because my gas stove is about 80 centimeters or 78 centimeters to be exact. So, 90 centimeters siya, mayroong excess na 10 centimeters sa gilid, sobra siya. So, sakop niya, kukover niya lahat ang buong width ng stove. Kailangan hindi din dalampas or below the width of your gas stove ang range na bilhin mo. Kung range stove mo is 60 centimeters, then you buy 60 or 90 cm na range stove. Dapat sobra siya para at least sakop niya ang buong range mo or gas stove mo. Third consideration, gaano ba kalakas ang iyong bibilhin na gas range? Okay? The stronger the motor of the gas range or the range hood would be better. Mas malakas, mas marami bang odor na mawawala mula sa kitchen? Isasak ng hihigupin ng range hood para papalabas. Sa range hood, ina-apply ang tinatawag na Bernoulli principle or Bernoulli effect. Ano ito? Ito yung paggamit ng wind speed to create lower pressure. And that lower pressure is responsible in sucking out the odor from our kitchen. So, kailangan ba mas malakas ang wind speed ng motor ng ating range hood to achieve that stronger or faster wind speed? Yes, I think so. And this range hood is faster than the range hood na walang chimney. O yung tinatawag natin na ductless hood. However, do not use commercial range hood na ginagamit sa mga restaurants at sa mga big kitchens in your home. Why? Because huge range hood sucks all the air out of your kitchen and your entire house and could create ng tinatawag na deep negative pressure. Pag negative pressure na ang loob ng bahay natin, it means other contaminants can go inside our kitchen. Ano yung negative pressure? Kung itong bahay natin, bawat air na lalabas dyan ay tinatawag na negative pressure. On the other hand, yung air na papasok sa bahay natin ay tatawagin natin positive pressure. If your range hood is capable of 1,000 cubic feet per meter na air na mailabas niya, 1,000 cubic feet per minute na mailabas niya, kailangan din na 1,000 cubic feet of air ang papasok sa bahay natin. Kailangan balanse. Pag lumabas yung bad odor na 1,000 cubic feet, kailangan palitan ng fresh air na 1,000 cubic feet. Okay? So, paano natin ma-achieve yan? Kung wala tayong windows sa ating kitchen, then you will have to install a make-up air system. In the US, it is required under their laws na kung yung range hood mo ay lampas sa 400 CFM, kailangan maglagay ka ng make-up air ventilation system. Ito yung isang motor para siyang fan rin na magpapump in ng hangin para sa loob ng iyong bahay. So required yun under the US law. Now, what will happen kung mag-negative pressure na yung bahay natin o yung kitchen natin? Yung hangin sa labas will find ways papasok sila sa bahay natin. It's either they will go through the tiny holes, yung mga cracks sa walls natin, or through the drainage. And that means bad odor, bad air will go inside our house. So kailangan i-balance natin yung hangin na hihigupin ng ating chimney papalabas at saka yung hangin na papalit. In my case, I have my window on my left side. In fact, there's a window all around, okay? Except the right side. But, so I have enough air. So, masasabi ko na I have a balanced environment. Now, this particular range hood has no information on how much air is sucked out from the kitchen. Hindi siya naka-indicate kung ilang CFM siya, but it only says it is consuming 221 watts. It means 220 watts of electricity ang ginagamit niya every hour. Okay? I hope I have explained well. Remember, there's always science, especially physics in our lives. With regard to the installation of this duct, I started planning since the construction of my new kitchen. I made it sure there's a space for the pipe hood on the wall and a socket near to it. You will have to measure the main frame of the duct to get the exact place for the hole on your wall. Then be sure your duct is aligned to your stove so that once you install the hood, it will be perfectly over your range or stove. Also, you have to measure the distance between the surface of the hood and the top of the range or stove. For this particular brand, Hamden, it requires 70 to 80 centimeters. Less than 70 and above 80, it will make your hood inefficient in sucking odor. So please check the manual of your gas range hood. Different brands and models have different features. This particular range hood is a European brand, Hamden, from Switzerland. This has mechanical switches. Other models have digital controls. It has 2 aluminum filters that are washable and 2 lamps that illuminates the stove. If you have questions and ideas, please comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Daghang salamat! Ako si Jun Tariman, High Tech Tabay!